In TTO, you can save different project notes within each project, i.e. each client that you're working with, for example, Devin and Cole in this case. Here you can see I already have 3 notes, and I'm able to filter them based on categories, based on newest, oldest, or I can use filters such as who created the note, which category does the note live in. Here I only have notes in 2 categories, for example, celebrants and venues. And also I can filter based on the sharing permissions. So within TTO, you can have some notes that are locked from your client, so your client can see the note, but they're not able to edit it. And you can also have notes that are visible to your team only. In order to create a note, click here. You can give your note a title, for example, you can also upload a cover image to your note. Put it into a category. So for example, let's say this conversation had to do with the venue. So I'll put it in the venue category. That's not necessary though. You don't have to put it into a category. And I can also set my restrictions here. So if I don't want my client to be able to edit the note, I would click on client editing locked. Or if it's a private note only for my team to see, I would select this option here. Next, you have a section where you can actually type in all of the notes. So I'm going to copy paste some call notes that were made. There's also an option to add an attachment. So for example, you might want to add the venue brochure to the note. Then click Save. We can now preview what our note looks like by clicking on Preview. This is what the note is going to look like for your client and for your team. In order to edit notes, simply click on Edit and use the Edit Editor to make any changes. To go back to notes, simply navigate to notes here, and you'll be able to see all of your notes categorized here. To delete a note, simply click on it, edit, and delete.